Hello students, today we will learn about air occupies space with the help of an experiment. Yes, today I am going to show you that how air occupies space. For that we require a glass, a paper and a container filled with water. So we are starting with our experiment. You can take bucket also. I have taken here this one container with water. So we will take this paper and keep it inside the glass. You can see here. Now what I will do is I will put it inside this container. See, it is completely sunk inside the container. Now carefully I will take it out. See, the paper is inside the glass only. Now if I remove this paper, you will see the paper is dry. The paper is dry. It is not wet. Though I have kept the full glass inside the water, but it is dry. Do you know why does it happen? It happens because when we see the glass is empty. When I keep it inside it, then also the rest of the glass is empty. But the empty glass has air inside it. Yes, the glass is filled with air, which doesn't allow water to go inside the glass. Because of that, the paper was dry, as you can see here. So by this we can conclude that air occupies space. See students, in last video you had learned that how air occupies space. In the similar way, we will come to know today that water also occupies space. Yes students, water also occupies space. For that we need a glass, some stones. I didn't get stones, so I have taken these diyas, which I will use as stones. And this plate, I'll keep it on the plate and I'll fill it up to the brim. You have to fill it up to the brim. Now one by one I'll put these diyas inside it. You will see some water is coming out from the glass. Now I'll show you. I'll collect the water in a bowl. See? Now you can see the water comes out from the tumbler because of the stones. Do you know why? It is so because the water which is inside this tumbler has occupied all the space which is present inside this tumbler. As we put a stone inside it, then the water doesn't get space and it comes out from the glass. So by this we come to know that water occupies space.